Welcome to the Blubrry Podcast Statistics final segment. So far, we've looked at your show as a whole, but you can drill down into episode level data for every episode you have published. Initially, you will just see a list of episodes, and unless you are running our dynamic ad insertion, there will be only one master record. If you are running DEI, you will have a drop-down that will allow you to see performance in every episode that was built in running an advertisement or promotion. This is super useful if one episode in particular went viral or underperformed. You can analyze it on its own. The detailed episode stats page really gives you all the data. When you click on a particular episode in your stats dashboard, it opens a page devoted entirely to that episode's metrics. Here you get a comprehensive view. At the top, you might see the total downloads or plays that episode has accumulated and a timeline of how those came in day by day after that release. Scroll further and you'll find episode retention graph. It could show maybe 85% of listeners listened all the way through, for example. Below that, you'll see where listeners of this episode are located, which apps and devices they used for this episode, and any other relevant breakdown. It's essentially all the charts we've discussed in previous demos, but filtered to this one episode's data. The layout makes it easy to digest how an episode performed, launched to present. This page is perfect for doing a post-mortem on your content. You can learn what worked well and what didn't for each show, which helps you plan future content. Let's change gears. We provide you with some incredible information to learn about your audience through an audience survey with visual results. Statistics aren't just about downloads. Understanding your listeners themselves is key. Blubrry's included an audience survey feature that allows you to gather demographic and listener data, and it presents the results visually. Blubrry provides you a 13-question survey that can be completed by a listener in about 60 seconds. For example, asking your audience about their age group, gender, marital status, earnings, and listing preferences. And they can provide show feedback as well. You then share that survey with your listeners via a link. Again, the survey is already created for you. It's very simple to promote. The responses from your audience are then compiled right into your stats dashboard. You'll see a chart or graph of the survey results, perhaps a pie chart of listener age ranges, or a bar graph of how listeners found your show. Depending on what you ask, it's all in a very clear visual format so that you can quickly get insights. This is tremendously helpful for tailoring your content and knowing your audience beyond the numbers. Instead of guessing who your listeners are, you have real data. The survey results are integrated with your other stats, giving you a more complete picture of your audience. And as a bonus, these insights feed into other tools on the platform, like the Media Kit, to make them even more powerful. Blubrry provides you with a daily updated Media Kit. So let's talk about the Media Kit. Your podcast public face for potential sponsors and partners allows you to use this Media Kit that Blubrry provides, which is updated daily, that automatically pulls in all your key stats and information about your show. Again, we update it daily. And why do we do that? It's so that you have the most up-to-date data to share with potential sponsors or folks that you want to share show dynamics with. Think of it as a dynamic one-sheet that you can share with advertisers, collaborators, or even post on a website. Every day, it refreshes with your latest download figures, audience size, and other stats we've discussed. It also incorporates data from your audience survey, so it can include demographics, highlight like listener age, gender breakdown, or other interesting facts about your audience. And the beauty of it is we make it completely configurable. You can turn off or turn on data that is presented. The Media Kit is professionally formatted. And again, it showcases your podcast. We also include information like your social media links. This allows you really to have and give a potential sponsor a full picture. You can download it as a PDF and provide it as well. Again, just grab the Media Kit from Blubrry Dashboard whenever you need to impress someone. Let's talk about something a little fun. Again, we have a fun section of stats that shows milestones. You can track your progress and set goals to improve your show. We even put the latest badges on your dashboard that you've earned by hitting specific milestones, and provided embeds for you to put on your own website to showcase your podcast power. Podcasters always ask us, how do we grow our show? Blubrry Podcast Statistics have been designed to give you actionable information that you can use to increase your podcast reach by giving you information that allow you to change and update or how you present your show. As a whole picture, it's an incredible amount of data. Now, wrapping up here, that's the end of our tour of the Blubrry Podcast Statistics platform. We've seen how you can monitor everything from recent episode averages to long-term trends, compare episodes, track events, understand listener behavior, and even gather survey data. All of this in one place. Whether you're just starting out or have an established show, these insights help you make you really a smarter podcaster. We built this platform to be intuitive and insightful so that you as a podcaster can focus on creating great content while easily keeping a finger on the pulse of your audience. I want to thank you for watching, and happy podcasting.